Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make this, but they're having trouble making the shape, and I know what they're doing wrong. He told me they take a rectangle, and then they round it off, and I'm just going to put 3 inches in. Well, that's not even enough. Let's go 4. And then what he's doing, he's watched some of my videos, and he Control D, and then he holds down the Shift key. This isn't going to work on this shape. It works on a circle or a square, but not on an oblong. You can see we've got more space at the bottom and top than we do on the sides. So you don't want to do that. So what you want to do is go up to Effects in Contour. Let's contour 2.5 inches. That might be a little bit much, but that's fine. Let's back up and go 2 inches. Now, that's perfect because it's the same 2.5 inches off every corner. We don't have to break that apart like you normally do. Then I would take a 3-point curve line and go from the center node down so far, and then just watch right in here. You want a good transition. Now, we are working in the center of the page, or I hope we are. I'm going to move this out of the way for a second and grab this and hit P. No, we were not. You have to work in the center of the page in this case, or in a lot of cases. Let's go 3-point curve line, go from that midpoint downwardly, and just watch that transition. Now, the reason we want it in the center of the page, because we're going to Control D and duplicate it. I'm going to alternate C, which is a rotation to the center of the page, hotkey, and I have those two marks exactly the same. I'm actually going to use the same color. I'm going to use Smart Fill tool. I'm just going to make one. Now, I'm going to move that out of the way and grab this and move that out of the way. Then move this back. I've nudged it so it's exactly back where it was in the center. I'm going to get the interactive fill tool and I'm going to put black. And if you will notice it put a little bit of black there, I don't want it. I can turn this handle and take that away. And then you could just play around with how much blackness you want. You know, by getting this closer, it's going to make it blacker. We're going to leave it like that. I'm going to Control D and alternate C, and I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees, and voila, there you have it. It always looks better with a black background. So contour and don't try to reshape it. Like I said, on a square, Control D, hold down the Shift key, it'll be even. A circle, Control D, hold down the Shift key, it'll be even. But on an oval or a weird shape, it's not going to work. I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.